Tejanandam, I am Mukesh Yadav, Assistant Professor, Electronics and Communication Engineering Department, SIRT College, Bhopal. Today we will discuss operational amplifier, which is the part of analog circuit. Subtopic Introduction to Operational Amplifier. Basically, operational amplifier is a special type of amplifier which has high gain. That means it can amplify very low voltage to high voltage. It is used in sensors based circuit. Actually, sensors are devices which sense the atmosphere changes and convert it into a voltage. But that voltage is very low in millivolt or microvolt. So we need to amplify this voltage so that we can process these signal or display on the display board. So operational amplifier is very important for the sensor based circuit. This is the block diagram of operational amplifier. There are four stages: input state, intermediate state, level shifting stage, and output stage. Input state is made from the dual input balanced output differential amplifier which contain transistors. Intermediate stage are dual input unbalanced output differential amplifier which contain transistors. Level shifting stage such as emitter follower using constant current source, and fourth stage is output state complementary symmetry push-pull amplifier. Actually, operational amplifier is available in the form of IC, that is integrated circuit. Advantage of operational amplifier are many, like as it has a smaller size, it reduces the cost, less power consumption, easy to replace, and it has high gain. This is the symbol of operational amplifier which produce high gain 2 into 10 to the power 5 or 10 to the power 6 decibel. There are 6 output sources here. One is inverting terminals, second is non-inverting terminals, power supply, negative power supply, and output. Operational amplifier required two power supply in opposite polarity. Like as we supply plus 12 volt in V plus, then we required minus 12 volt in V minus. Operational amplifier IC's number is 741 and it is available in the market. We can use it any sensor based circuit. This is the pin diagram of the IC741. This is the 8-pin IC. One terminal 1 is offset null. That means at the initial we need to zero output when we have applied no voltage or no input signal in this IC. Second terminal is inverting input terminals. It is called inverting because when we apply voltage in these terminals, it gives the output and the phase difference between input and output is 180 degrees. So it inverts the output, so it is called inverting input. Third pin is non-inverting input, and when we apply the signal in this pin, the output is the same phase with the input. So it is called non-inverting terminals. Pin 4, that is minus power supply, minus voltage. That means if we apply plus 15 voltage as a positive biasing voltage, then we need to minus 15 volt as a negative biasing voltage. We take output from the pin number 6 and we apply or gives the biasing voltage in positive polarity in the pin number 7. These are the pin configuration of IC741, which works as a operational amplifier. These are the characteristics of operational amplifier. Input resistance is ideally infinite, but IC741 is 2 mega ohm. Output resistance is 0 and IC741 output resistance is 75 ohm. Always we required any circuit input impedance is high and output impedance is low. In input impedance high basically requirement so that most of the input signal apply to the IC. Voltage gain given by the ideal operational amplifier is infinite and IC741 is 2 into 10 to the power 5. Bandwidth is infinite and IC741 is 1 megahertz. CMRR, that is common mode rejection ratio. Ideal op-amp have infinite and IC741 has 90 dB. Input offset voltage for the ideal op-amp is 0 volt and IC741 is 2 volt. Slew rate. A ideal operational amplifier has slew rate infinite and IC741 is zero point 0.5 volt per microsecond. Micros volt per microsecond is its unit. PSRR, that is power supply rejection ratio. For the ideal operational amplifier, it is 0 and the practical operational amplifier is 150 microvolt per volt. Input bias current for the ideal operational amplifier is 0 and IC741 is 50 nanoampere. Input offset voltage for ideal operational amplifier is 0 and IC741 is 6 nanoampere. Nano means 10 to the power minus 9. Application of operational amplifier, it's used in many circuits where we need to amplify the lower signal for the processing purpose and the display purpose. Thank you.